Have you ever wondered what your pet is thinking, or what the birds chirping outside your window are saying? It's a question that has likely crossed your mind at least once or twice. Our fascination with animals goes beyond mere admiration. We, humans, have a deep-seated curiosity, an intrinsic desire to understand these creatures that share our world. From the loyal dog that greets us at our doorstep to the solitary owl that hoots in the far-off woods, each has a unique language, a unique perspective. But what if we could decipher these languages? What if we could converse with animals, not just in our imaginations, but in reality? What if we could ask the sparrow about its long-distance journey, or the dolphin about the depths of the ocean it calls home? The possibilities are endless and the insights invaluable. So let's explore this intriguing prospect. Imagine the world where this curiosity turns into reality. In a parallel universe, consider a young man named Raj. Now, Raj isn't your ordinary lad. He's a regular guy who loves his morning chai and cricket matches. But one day, something extraordinary happens to him. He wakes up to a world that's similar, yet strikingly different. His first clue? The incessant chattering of the sparrows outside his window isn't just noise anymore. It's conversation. Imagine the shock, the disbelief, the sheer bewilderment of it all. One day, you're a regular person living your life, and the next, you're privy to the secret dialogues of the animal kingdom. But Raj, being the resilient soul that he is, doesn't let the surprise get the best of him. He embraces this newfound ability with open arms and an open mind. And oh, the stories he hears. The squirrels in the park tell tales of high-speed chases and daring acorn heists. The neighborhood dogs discuss the best spots for a nap under the warm sun, and the local pigeons gossip about who has the best perch in town. Even the ants, those tiny, tireless workers, have their own narratives of grand colonies and the sweet triumph of discovered food sources. The cows in the field share sagas of lush pastures, while the frogs in the pond sing songs of monsoon joy. From the tiniest insect to the grandest elephant, every creature has a story to tell, a perspective to share. And Raj, our young hero, is the fortunate listener to these unheard tales. His world, once filled with human voices alone, is now a symphony of chatters, roars, chirps, and purrs, a cacophony of life in its most diverse forms. But it's not just about the stories. It's about understanding, empathy, and connection. Raj's life is suddenly filled with new companions and unheard stories. His world is richer, wilder, and infinitely more fascinating, all because he can understand the language of animals. Let us walk through a day in Raj's extraordinary life. In the comforting glow of dawn, Raj wakes to a symphony of birdsong. He doesn't merely hear the notes, he understands them. The sparrows chatter about the day's prospects. The miners gossip about the latest neighborhood happenings. Raj's mornings are a delightful rendezvous with the avian world, a sweet serenade that sets the tone for his day. After breakfast, it's time for a walk with Bruno, his German shepherd. Bruno isn't just a pet, he's a friend, a confidant. They communicate, not through vague gestures or commands, but through a mutual language. Bruno tells Raj about his dreams, his fears, his joys. There's an unparalleled bond between them, a bond that transcends human-animal barriers. In the park, Raj is not just another human. He's a friend to all creatures, great and small. The squirrels in the trees share tales of their daring escapades. The ducks in the pond quack about their little ducklings' antics. Every creature has a story to tell, and Raj is there to listen, to understand, to empathize. But it's not all fun and games. Raj's gift also allows him to solve problems that others can't even perceive. He's helped a sparrow find her lost nestlings, guided a disoriented butterfly back to its swarm, and even mediated a territorial dispute between two feisty squirrels. His evenings are spent in quiet contemplation with his feline companion, Whiskers. They discuss the day's happenings, share their thoughts, and sometimes just enjoy a comfortable silence. Raj's life is not ordinary. It's a constant dialogue with nature, a symphony of voices unheard by others. As the day closes, the city hums with the buzz of nocturnal creatures. Raj listens to their nightly chorus, each voice adding a unique note to the nocturnal symphony. He retreats to his bed, the whispers of the night lulling him to sleep, ready for another day of extraordinary conversations. Raj's unique ability opens a new world of understanding and empathy. But let's think beyond Raj. What if we all could understand animals? Imagine a world where we could converse with animals, comprehend their needs, and respond to their fears. This could revolutionize the way we coexist with the other species on our planet. Our current understanding of animals is mostly based on observation and interpretation. But if we could break the language barrier, we'd be stepping into a realm of profound empathy and interspecies communication that could drastically change our world. Conservation efforts could be significantly enhanced. If we could understand the animals' perspectives, we could better cater to their needs. We could learn what threatens them, what the population needs to thrive, and how we can help. This would allow us to create more effective conservation strategies, ensuring the survival of endangered species. In the field of veterinary medicine, understanding animals could be a game changer. Instead of relying solely on symptoms and physical signs, veterinarians could have a direct line of communication with their patients. They could understand the source of discomfort, pain, or distress directly from the animal. This could lead to more accurate diagnoses and improved treatment plans. A world where humans and animals understand each other could also lead to a more harmonious coexistence. Imagine knowing exactly what your pet needs or being able to reassure a scared stray. We could build a relationship based on mutual understanding with the animals we share our world with. This could lead to a decrease in human-animal conflicts, promoting peace between species. But it's not just about the practical implications. Understanding animals could also enrich our lives on a deeper level. We could learn about their complex social structures, their emotions, their thoughts. We could gain a new appreciation for the rich tapestry of life on Earth, fostering a deeper connection with the natural world. A world where humans and animals understand each other could be a world of endless possibilities. But how far are we from this hypothetical world becoming a reality? The answer lies in the realm of science. Research is being conducted around the globe to decode the enigmatic language of animals. Scientists are working tirelessly to unravel the mysteries of animal communication. And while we're not quite at the stage of casual chit-chat with our furry friends, we are making strides in understanding their language. Take, for instance, the groundbreaking study by Dr. Konslobodchikov, a professor at Northern Arizona University. His research on prairie dogs revealed these little creatures have a complex communication system that can describe the color, size, and speed of a potential predator. This kind of understanding is not just fascinating, but opens up a new world of interspecies communication. Then there's the ongoing research at the Dolphin Communication Project. Here, scientists are exploring the intricate whistle language of dolphins. Each dolphin has a unique whistle, a sort of a name which it uses to identify itself. Understanding these whistle codes could potentially enable us to communicate with these intelligent sea creatures. On the more technologically advanced side, we have projects like the Cetacean Hearing and Telemetry, CHAT. This device can translate human speech into dolphin whistle codes and vice versa, bridging the communication gap between us and our aquatic counterparts. However, it's important to remember that these advances are still in their infancy. Animal communication is incredibly complex and varies greatly between species. It's not just about understanding individual words, but also the context, body language, and even the emotional state of the animal. In essence, we're not just learning a new language, but an entirely new way of thinking and perceiving the world. Our journey is akin to stepping into a foreign land where everything is unfamiliar. But slowly, we're beginning to decipher the signs and symbols and make sense of the language. Science is inching closer to decoding the secrets of animal communication. And while we're not there yet, the progress we've made so far gives us hope that one day we might truly understand the animals around us. So, coming back to our original question, what if we could understand animals? We've journeyed through a whimsical hypothetical world where our everyday interactions with animals take on a whole new dimension of understanding. We've explored the potential implications of such a world, how it could revolutionize everything from our personal relationships with pets to wildlife conservation strategies. We've also delved into the fascinating realm of science, where efforts are underway to decode animal communication. From deciphering the clicks and whistles of dolphins to tapping into the ultrasonic language of bats, scientists are inching closer to bridging this interspecies communication gap. What a world that would be, don't you think? A world where we truly understand the creatures we share this planet with. A world where we don't just coexist, but communicate, connect, and comprehend on a deeper level. Next time you look at your pet, remember, their thoughts might not be as alien as you think.